Hey guys, this is Simran and welcome to my channel. Today we will talk about codes, different type of codes, whether it is a QR code or a barcode. Seen a lot of different codes on our daily use of products, but do you know how it works? And you can create even your own personalized QR or a barcode. So let's see how it works and how you can create your own personalized QR code or any other type of code. To create a code, you need a mobile application called Barcode Generator. For this, you need to search Play Store and install the very first app you see in the search result. I have already installed this app, so let's open that. Now the home screen for your app is open. Click the plus sign on the bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on add code. As you can see, there is a list of different types of code you can create, or whichever you want to use, you can select the type of the code. So I will start with QR code. And now again there are different options. You can use the QR code for text, URL, email, phone number, SMS, geographical location, contact information, event, etc. So I will click on contact information. Here you need to fill out your details. So let's start filling it out. After you are done with your details, click on the text sign on the top right corner of your screen and your code is generated. Now let's save the code. Click on the save option. It is right next to the edit option on the top right corner of your screen. Rename the file using the file name whichever you want to use. And select the file type. Always save an image as a PNG file as it gives you high resolution, and you can use it for digital or print versions. Click on the image size. Select the size of the image whichever you prefer, smaller image, larger or normal or regular, whatever you want. Choose the color for the background as well as foreground of your QR code. Select the colors and click OK. So now your file is saved. It's ready to share with your friends. You can share it using the share button, which is right next to the save button on your screen. Click on share button, rename the file or keep the same name whichever you want. Change the file type. Make changes to other options if you wish to. I will share this code using my own email. So let's share it. So now you have shared the email, it's ready to use. You can scan it and it will show the details of the QR code which I have already filled in. For this particular one, it's the details of my YouTube channel. So as you have seen, it's very simple and easy to use. You can create your own personalized codes. You can use barcodes or any other type of codes in this barcode generator. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Take care.